Howdy folks, it's Brian from SpookYouLaterz. That's right, we're in Uranus in Missouri. We're in your ass, dude. But yeah, no, we're just goofing off before we get to Transworld. And this is the home of the pirates, Uranus pirates. But check it out, man, this is really cool thing. It's got like circus novelty, museum, all kinds of stuff. See, it has a sideshow museum, aliens, spaceship. We're gonna blast off your astroliner. Check it out. That's pretty cool. On Route 66. They have all these old-fashioned cars. There's a Jeep or Creepers right here. Well, not really, but looks like it. That's pretty neat. And then some old tractors and dredger or something. I don't know. We're not in Texas no more, so I don't think they dig oil out here. I have no clue what that is. I'm gonna go get a picture with the dinosaur, folks. I feel like Pee-wee's Playhouse. Now, if I had comments, I'd ask you guys what kind of dinosaur that is, see if you knew. Oh, check out that sign. It says, "We'll pack your fudge." So when your ass is on fire, call Uranus Fire Department. Uh-oh, is that Ted inside there? Looks like Ted. Check it out. Ooh, that's Ted. Anybody know who Ted is? Your old teddy bear inside there. That's fun. How cool is that? Then we have the Funk Yard. We're going to St. Louis right there for the Halloween convention, Transworld. Oh yeah, we went through Texas, Oklahoma, Missouri. We're almost there. Pretty cool. Looks like a pavilion for bands and things like that. Ice cream for serial killers. That's pretty neat. Looks like it's actively functional. Just not open right now. So if you're driving Route 66, there's my brother. Looking like damn Cheech and Chong. Uranus Police Department. How many times have I said Uranus? That's pretty cool. This reminds me of the Little Rascals. 4-foot man eating chicken. Little kid. Eating Kentucky Fried Chicken. Escape Uranus. Escape room. That's pretty cool. They got an escape room and everything. I'm not that good at escape rooms. That's for sure. It's a pretty kitty. Yes. Exit Uranus. Exit only, not entrance. Uh-oh, we got a Voltron. I feel like Tom Hanks from Big. Oh, Zoltar. That's what it is. I'm gonna do Tom Hanks here. All right, so a lot of these places don't require masks, but I've been wearing mine. I got my shot. Let me do the right thing, folks. A little bit crooked. There we go. Ugh. Just in case. Doesn't say anything. It says push. Thanks for visiting Uranus. Check this out. We got old school candy. Old gas pump right now. I wish it was 50 cents per gallon. It's a little bit expensive. But let's go inside. Oh. Hi. I know you did not say that. That is hilarious. I love that. She wanted to pack my fudge for me. Oh, we got Elmo and Aliens, Area 51. What do we got back here? I see some mural paintings. That's pretty cool. That's really neat. Gotta love these gift shops out of state. That's what makes America, America. Oh, look at that. Check that out. We got chickens. The clown. You want to do it, buddy? All right, let's do it. Oh, which way do we go? Any way we want it? Yeah, let's go this way. A little monkey. Monkey Speedway. Yeah, here's George. That's the old school.
Yeah, that was funny.
The old ones in there like that. Those ones. Oh, is that it? The original car?
Maybe. Looks like the pictures. The original monkey racers.
Check this out. It's like a garboon. So it's half fish, half monkey. That's cool. All right, let's go in here. Oh, check this out. We got the elephant man. That's creepy. See, this is kind of Halloweenish, folks. We got a two-headed squirrel right there. And some kind of ravage looking, I don't know what that is. A two-headed duck and some kind of vampire monkey bat. And a unipig, I mean unigoat, something like that. Twins. That dude, check him out. He looks like something off of Men in Black or something. It's like some kind of, it's a ratigator. It's a rat, alligator snake, I don't know. Trippy.
Is the move for those who
What is this? This is Alligator Boy. Oh, that's so adorable. Cute. Like some shrunken head stuff here. Hey, that's pretty neat. Oh, look at the baby. That's creepy, man. I love it. Oh, look at this dude. He got a face coming out of a face. That's pretty creepy, man. Oh, we got King Kong versus Godzilla. Well, not really. Some little two-headed mouse. Okay, let's keep on trucking. Look at this. Some like mermaid creature things. That's pretty cool. I dig it. Oh, now we're going to like the freak animals created by God, not by the hands of man. The ape woman. But I love things like this. This is kind of eerily cool. Just imagine what it smells like. The chicken in there, everything. Man, those are huge scorpions. That skull in the back looks like some kind of alien thing, kind of weird perspective. This is Serpentina. Half woman, half snake, half alligator type thing. Two-headed bull shark. Can't really get a good view of that one. Two-headed goat. That one you could actually see pretty good. And a two-headed pig. Oh, look at that. Two-headed alligator snapping turtle. That's creepy. Two-faced man.
is the move for those who
It's a two-headed monkey. That's pretty cool. Two-headed babies, man. That's creepy. I like getting my hands on that one. Painted up. Oh, is this dude alive? Oh shoot, he's alive. It's Littlefoot, the snake-neckled turtle. He's got like a snake neck. His name is Littlefoot.
For those who
This is Pete and Repeat. Oh, Pete and Repeat, check that out. It's funny how they got, they said that, like, because he got two heads. That's Pete and that's Repeat. And then push and pull. That's basically what they're doing. They're pushing, one's pushing and one's pulling. That is hilarious. What is this here? Do not touch. Oh, it's like an execution chamber. Alright, so this is Brian for SpookYouLaterz. I'll see you at Transworld Halloween, folks.
In the Wunderkammers, the cabinets of curiosity of the kings of Europe, which eventually developed into natural history museums, which Barnum in turn got inspired by,
for those who
and kind of like, you know, took to the next level. Hi, I'm Kat. I swallow swords in Uranus. This sword does not bend, fold, or collapse in any way whatsoever. Do not try this at home.
There we go. Oh lordy. Snap. Wow, sweet.
Your turn.
This is really cool, folks.
And they're opening the miniature golf course this summer 2021. A ice cream shop and a ton of other improvements. If you're bored and want to do something in 2021, check out Uranus.
All right, I love that. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.